Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make this hair shampoo for healthy hair growth. These are the things you're going to need: hibiscus leaves, water, preferably hot water. Get your spare container, your favorite shampoo, an empty bottle, and a strainer. So let's get in. Pour the hot water in the bowl and add your hibiscus leaves. Make sure you stir for some seconds. After that, leave it to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes for the water to become very deep, and we will continue from there. If you really want your hair to grow, you will have to use this DIY shampoo once a week. But if you don't wash your hair every week and then you wash your hair every 2 weeks, you should use it whenever you're about washing your hair. So I left mine for 30 minutes and you can tell it has become deeper than it was earlier. And it's time for us to do the main work. Just put your strainer on your measuring cup. You can use any container or a bowl if you don't have a measuring cup, and pour the mixture in. We are using this strainer because you don't want to have those residues or the hibiscus leaves in the mixture. No, we don't want that. So you will have to strain your mixture to avoid getting residues in your shampoo. Okay, add your shampoo to it. That is 1 tablespoon of shampoo. But if you are making it too much, like a full bottle, then the shampoo you will add should be more than what I am adding to mine. Mine is not that much. That is why I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the shampoo. After adding the shampoo, you will have to stir very well for the shampoo to mix very well with the hibiscus water. If the shampoo has not been added with the hibiscus, it is not yet a DIY shampoo. Until it has been added and mixed very well with it, it then becomes a DIY hibiscus shampoo for hair growth. Want your hair to grow very fast, you should start using this hibiscus shampoo. Get your bottle and pour the mixture inside, and you're good to go. You can use it whenever you're washing your hair as your shampoo, and trust me, this is going to become your favorite hair shampoo. If this is your first time dropping by, my name is Ophel Nasaab, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, kindly do so, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification that I have uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for the love you've been showing me to those my old subscribers. I really love and appreciate whatever you're doing for me. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to leave a comment. Subscribe to be a part of this family. Thank you for watching this video. I love you all.